What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Coach Funk. Let's get straight to the video, right? Today, I just wanted to remind you, if you own just one property in Evergreen last year, you have access to our Discord game, Gnome Quest. So you just need one, right? And enter our Discord. Make sure you get verified. Then look down on the left hand side, you will see HGF Verse Community Gnome Quest Season 1. We already ran the Season 1, but we're doing a reboot in order for everyone else to get a opportunity to learn the system and play the game before we start Season 2. So once you get in here, you do have to link the system. By any chance, come in here, ask questions. We will help you. All right, link the system, but the first thing you have to do, you have to hit /play, and this menu will come up. Hit play, you'll see Gnome Quest. Start or resume your Gnome Quest adventure. Then hit enter. That will activate the UI and it comes up. You can play the video. If you're not linked, what you will have to do is push /link, right? You will see this here, and then it will give you the prompt to add your username in the game. You have to use your username in the game the way it is set up so it can link and read your account, right? So this should tell me that I'm already linked. You already linked, but if you're not linked, right, it will link you, and that's the first step. So second step is to go through the UI right here. Read everything, ladies and gentlemen. You can click on farm. It will tell you what you're missing. We do have assets in the game at my HGF collective shop. That is the AI robot and the dock that gives you unlimited siege, right? Every 24 hours, the AI robot types in some key code and generates one seed in every district you have properties in. So if you have one property in all 7 of our districts, which is 7 properties at least, you would generate one seed per district every 24 hours to replenish your seed that you plant, right? If you have 7 in each district, you still only get one seed per district every 24 hours to make it fair for everyone else, right? So I'm gonna go back, but if you wanted to go ahead and click around, there are, quest and codex. As you progress through the planting and harvesting, these will reveal, right? Click around. If you have questions, definitely ask them in the chat. I'm just giving you a brief overview because if you're serious, you will come in and join the Discord, get verified, and start playing around. It doesn't cost you anything to get started. There are assets, map assets in Upland that's tied to this game that will give you a boost as well, right? And more coming. But if you like what you see so far, definitely join the Discord. The link will be in the description below and test it out, right? I don't want to go in depth with it because I don't want to waste my time. So those who really want to learn about Gnome Quest and the possibility of utilizing utilities in the game, assets in the game to bring utility into other places, join and learn. With that being said, it's your boy, the coach, and let's